Hey everybody, keep up the great work. We're really proud of you.
To every frontline healthcare provider, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Your courage this past year will never be forgotten.
For all of us at Central Maine Healthcare, we'd like to thank all of our frontline staff for their work in addressing the global pandemic that's impacting all of us within the state of Maine. Thank you for all of your work.
Across the state of Maine, hospital healthcare team members rock. Thank you for everything that you do, day in and day out for people in our communities.
Thank you all for the amount of flexibility, caring, sacrifice, and the resilience you have shown during this unprecedented time. It makes me feel so lucky to be part of such a wonderful organization and state of healthcare workers. Thank you.
Thank you to the incredible staff at Holton Regional Hospital for your dedication and tireless efforts during this COVID-19 pandemic. Your exceptional care delivered compassionately has made a huge difference in the lives of our patients.
Thank you for all you do every day, especially over the course of this last year.
I'm so proud of each and every one of our care team members. Our communities counted on us to provide care for those most impacted by COVID-19, and you responded with skill, passion, and empathy. I am so grateful for the work that you do each and every day. Thank you so much.
On behalf of the entire Maine health system, I want to thank every healthcare worker in the state of Maine. Whether you are a direct caregiver or an individual who indirectly supports those caregivers, you are making an incredible contribution to every community across the state of Maine, and we thank you for your work during the COVID pandemic.
So I want to give a great big shout out and thank you this holiday season to all the healthcare workers across the state of Maine for the great work that they've been doing and will continue to do as we get through this pandemic together. Thank you.
Thank you to our state's valued healthcare staff for taking care of our community when they needed us most. Your sacrifices this year have been unparalleled. We're so proud that you represent the best of Maine.
From the bottom of my heart, thank you for all you do every day. And this year, more than any year, thank you for your bravery and your hard work and your resilience as you've taken care of the members of our community who need you so much. Whether you're at the front line taking care of patients or behind the scenes like all of us supporting those of you who do, thank you again from the bottom of my heart.
Hi, I'm Chrissy McGuire, President and CEO of Mount Desert Island Hospital. I am honored and privileged to recognize the dedication and support and effort of our dedicated healthcare workers all over the great state of Maine. We are so appreciative of all that you do.
A huge thank you to all healthcare workers across the state and across the nation for their continued support towards their mission of their local hospital, their local communities, and a huge thank you to all of those folks supporting the mission from afar in their houses and being in places that are safe. So thank you for everything you do.
I'm Gregory Francois from Air Gould Hospital in Prescott, Maine. And I just want to take just a moment to thank all of the healthcare workers that have done so much for our communities and all they're going to do for our communities going forward. It's hard work, and we're grateful that you'll do it for us. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Marie Vino. I'm president of Northern Light C.A. Dean Hospital and Northern Light Mayo Hospital. I just want to take a few minutes today to say thank you to all of the staff, first line workers, and first responders who have been so phenomenal during this pandemic. I have seen people dig deep, be resilient, and really step up to take care of our patients in our community. Thank you.
Hi everyone, Randall Leary here from Eastern Maine Medical Center. Just want to say thank you to all you frontline heroes out there. You have my heart. Thank you.
This is one of those times that happens once a century, thank goodness not more than that, where this kind of demand on healthcare workers, your true colors, are coming through. And I see it everywhere I go. And that's my main message to you. Thank you from the deepest part of my heart.
I am in awe of the dedication and compassion displayed by Maine's frontline healthcare workers. As always, you step up and do whatever it takes for our patients and the community. You are true heroes. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Terry Vieira, President, Northern Light Inland Hospital and Northern Light Sebasticook Valley Hospital. I would just like to say thank you to all the frontline and behind the scenes healthcare workers who have worked tirelessly during 2020 to make our lives better. Thank you for all you do every day.
I want to give a heartfelt thank you to all our employees for all the hard work they're doing and the dedication to our patients.
Thank you for showing up for work today. In the spring, we thought this was going to be a sprint, and we were worried about being exposed to the coronavirus. And while that was important, we now know it's a marathon, and the true commitment is to show up day after day to serve our patients and their families. Thank you for everything that you've done.
Hi, I'm Dick Willett, CEO of Reddington Fairview Hospital. I just want to take a few seconds to thank all of the caregivers and support people around the state for doing an admirable job during this unfortunate pandemic time. Thank you.
Hi, this is Nate Howell, the administrator for Southern Maine Healthcare, and I just wanted to thank our staff and our care team members for the great work this year. I'm just overwhelmed in this weird time with the flexibility and dedication that you have shown, taking care of our patients and our communities. You truly are the superheroes, at least in my heart, during our COVID pandemic. Thank you.
I'm Steve Jorgensen, and on behalf of St. Mary's Hospital, I want to thank all healthcare workers across the state. What we did as an industry was amazing, and the commitment we showed in caring for our communities as well as each other is so much appreciated. It's an amazing work by all, and thank you for all your efforts.
St. Joe's as a community hospital takes care of all different needs of our community every day and the different issues that are impacting them. In 2020, COVID hit. So our team here at St. Joe's rose to that occasion, taking care of patients within the hospital, along with collaborating with other members to make sure that we had a unified approach as we served people in our community. I want to thank the St. Joe's team for their compassion, for their innovation, and for their resiliency. Thank you so much. Great team.
Hi, I'm Andy Patstone, president of Stevens Memorial Hospital in Norway. This year, I've never been prouder to have been part of the healthcare system in our state. Thank you for all you did to get us through this and all that you're going to do to get us over the finish line.
A huge and heartfelt thank you to all of Maine's caregivers, and especially to those here at York Hospital.
You've helped overcome countless challenges this year, and your dedication has made all the difference.